Good evening. My name is John Lucy Chicano. Today I will be presenting our latest product, a personalized interactive storybook app for children. This innovative app combines entertainment, education, and family bonding into one engaging platform designed especially for young children. Let's dive into the key features, benefits, and steps we've taken to bring this concept to life. Product overview. Our product offers a range of features that make it stand out in the market. Number 1. Multiple story options. Children can choose from wide variety of stories, themes including bedtime stories to wind down the day, educational adventures that teach important lessons, silly tales that spark laughter and imagination, personalized narration. Parents can record their own voice, making each story unique and personal. Imagine a child's excitement when they hear their mom or dad narrating their favorite stories. The benefits. Engaging and educational, our app seamlessly integrates entertainment with learning. Children can expand their vocabulary, learn life lessons, and stimulate their creativity while enjoying stories. Number 2. Personalized experience. What sets our app apart in the ability to create truly personal experience by involving familiar member in the storytelling process. This add especially connection to each stories. Target market. Our primary market consists of parenting of young children who are looking for interactive, engaging, and educational tools to encourage their children's love for reading. This app appeals to families that prioritize quality time and value technology that enhance learning and creativity. Identify customers. Analyze behavior. We will study the behavior of our target customers by analyzing their purchase patterns, interactions with similar products, and online activities. This will help us uncover their needs and preferences. Listen to feedback. Gathering feedback from parents through surveys, reviews, and social media platforms will provide insights into their pain points and desires. This will help us refine our app to meet their expectation. Target specifications. Once we have identified our customer needs, we can define the features, functionality, and design of the app. By focusing on personalization of educational value, we will ensure the app caters to our target audience. Analyzing competitive product. It is important to understand the existing market landscape. We will analyze competitor products by examining their features and pricing, marketing strategies, and customer reviews. This will help us find opportunities to differentiate our app that create unique and offering that stand out. Generating the product concept. The next product is developing the concept for our app. We have held brainstorming sessions, created prototypes, and conducted our testing to refine our idea. The core focus in on creating a personalized, interactive, and educational experience for children. Refining product specifications. Once the app is placed, we'll refine the details such as materials for interface design, technical functionality and performance, packaging for physical components if necessary. We'll rely on engineering drawings, prototypes, and supplier quotes to ensure everything meets the highest standards. Development plan. Finally, we have prepared comprehensive development plans which includes timeliness to ensure app is developed and launched efficiently, budgets to manage cost, sources for app development and marketing. Our marketing plan will focus on reaching the right audience through targeted advertising, social media campaign, and collaboration with parenting blogs and influencers. In conclusion, the personalized interactive storybook app for children is designed to foster a love for reading, encourage creativity, and strengthen family bonds. With multiple story options and personalized narration. It's the perfect blend of education, entertainment, and family interaction. We're excited to bring this to families everywhere. Thank you.